Ever wonder why dogs spin before lying down? It might look cute, but there's actually a fascinating reason behind it. This behavior is rooted in their wild ancestry. Long ago, dogs would circle to flatten grass and check their surroundings for potential threats before settling in for the night. This instinct helped them create safer, more comfortable resting spots. So, the next time your dog does a little spin, remember, it's an ancient survival trick at work. Follow for more amazing animal facts.